So, Marielle, when we went to that last tease out of the last break, you can just see how gloomy and gray it looks outside. Is that what we have to look forward to the rest of the day?
The rest of the day, yeah. I
Okay.
mean, you may see a few breaks in the clouds, but the more you go into the afternoon, the more you'll see the cloud cover, the more you'll see the rain. Yeah, that's what it's going to look like.
That's Cedar Hill, ain't it?
Yeah, that's Cedar Hill. That's our Cedar Hill camera. And unfortunately, it is springtime. Not that part that's the unfortunate. The unfortunate part is that it comes with the potential for strong storms with just about any system that takes shape. And this is what our severe weather outlook is today. It is a level 1 out of 5, so it's the lowest level threat that you can have. It's for late this afternoon into the evening for the potential of quarter-size hail and strong winds. Most of us will not see this. It's just that an isolated storm or two could quickly turn severe. Now, today, right now, no active watches, no active warnings, but we are seeing a little bit of shower activity to the south. I'm seeing a little bit more developed south of Interstate 20, south of Granbury. That's really about it. The rest of us just seeing some cloud cover. Between now and the early afternoon, that's all we'll see is just some scattered showers. We'll start to see better coverage of this rain as we head towards middle part of the afternoon between 3 and 5. You'll see a bit better activity across our eastern half of the area. But it's at this time around 5 is when I have this clock stopped. That's when we could see some of these storms really taking shape between Wichita Falls, Archer City, Graham into Stephenville. It's at this point when we could see that strong storm activity. Again, it's not for everyone. I'm going to fast forward here between 5 and 7. Those storms take better shape as they get closer towards the I-35 corridor, including DFW between 7 to about 9. We'll continue to see this make its way across DFW, and then after 9, most of that activity will have pushed towards the east of the Metroplex, but still along the eastern half of our area. Between 10 to about midnight, that rain will continue to progress towards the east. The severe threat lowers, and we'll just see some cloud cover. Some lingering rain does continue into Friday morning. On Friday morning, we could be dealing with a few showers out there, so definitely keep that in mind for your morning drive. Otherwise, we're looking at drying out as we head into the afternoon hours for most of the area. Today, because of the rain and added cloud cover, only the mid-60s. I'm not expecting too much of a temperature difference because of the added rain and the cloud cover that's in place. Winds, by the way, will stay mostly out of the south between 5 to 15. Anywhere between ½ an inch to 1 inch of rainfall between today, tonight, and tomorrow morning. But we do have more rain on the way. So today, I mentioned that our risk is very low. It's a 1 out of 5. This just updated within the last 2 minutes. We did have a higher risk across portions of southeast Texas. That was a slight risk. That fortunately has improved to a marginal level 1 risk. It looks like a lot of the intense storms there have really started to dwindle down. Here closer to home, Weatherford, looking at a cloudy sky, temperature of 61 degrees. 60 degrees in Cedar Hill. You can see those low clouds settling in. And today, as you go about your day, rain coverage is going to go up. I'm expecting close to about 80% coverage, meaning 80% of the area will see rain at some point this afternoon as our temperatures stay consistently in the mid-60s. So I'm telling you, stay inside if you can. Don't be out on the roads if you can help it. So we do have that rain today, tonight, and tomorrow morning. Our next round of rain holds off until late Sunday into Monday. This is when we could pick up more rain. So whenever you take that into consideration, a total of 1 to 2 inches between this event that we're experiencing now and the one that we'll experience late in the weekend. And the severe threat, it does look like it stays mainly to the northwest. Of course, that can change. Our temperature is really close to what's considered normal this time of the year, not just for this week, but next week as well, with the exception of 1 or 2 days. We'll be back.